Hello everyone. Today in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to create a 3D pop-out effect like this just from a single photograph. I am going to use a photograph of this migratory bird called flamingo that I clicked in the last winter season in India. So let's get started. Rename the main photo layer to original. Create a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl plus J. Now let's rename this layer as selection. Now let's create another duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl plus J. Rename this layer to pop out. Make both these layers invisible by pressing the eye icon in front of them. Select the original layer, click on Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer icon located at the bottom of the layer panel. Choose Gradient. On the Gradient Fill dialog box, choose Black and White Gradient. Here we will change the black color to the one that suits the background of our original photograph. In this case, I am choosing a shade of brown. We will keep white as it is. Now press OK. Keep the style as linear, angle at 90 degrees and press OK. Now make the selection layer visible. Select a rectangular marquee tool and make a selection of the area that you want to maintain as original in the final edited version. In case you miss the accurate selection, you can go to Select and click Transform Selection option to refine your selection. Now we will add some perspective adjustments to the selection. Right click inside of the selection and choose Perspective. Make the adjustments as shown here, or you can define your own shape. Once done, press the tick mark on the top to commit the changes. Now let's add a mask of this selection to the layer by simply clicking Add Layer Mask button from the bottom of the layer panel. We are supposed to add a white border to this masked portion, thus click on the mask while pressing the Ctrl button to enable the selection once again. Then click Add a Layer Style button from the bottom of the layer panel and choose Stroke. Inside the Layer Style dialog on the left hand side, you will find that the option of stroke is already selected and has a tick mark. On the right, choose size as 20 pixels, position inside, and do not forget to change the color to white. Leave rest of the settings as they are and click OK. Having the selection in place, we will now create a new layer by clicking on Create New Layer from the bottom of the layer panel. Rename this new layer Shadow. Then press Alt and Backspace key to copy the selected area into this new layer. Now make the pop-out layer visible. Select Quick Selection tool and select the area of the subject that you want to pop out. Zoom and pan into the image to make a good selection. For the demonstration purpose, I am going through the selection very quickly, but you can spend some more time and make it more accurate. Once the selection is done, click Select and Mask button from the option bar at the top. The interface will change to the Mask property dialog. Here you will notice that some part of the flamingo's leg is not selected properly. We will fix that in a moment. For now, increase the smoothness and contrast and click OK. Add to the selection by using Quick Selection tool. Then click Add Layer Mask button from Layer panel. This technically completes the effect, but to make it more realistic, we will add a 3D flyout effect to the background from Selection layer. Select the selection layer, click on the mask icon, unlink the mask from the layer by clicking the link icon. Then go to Edit, Transform and select Warp. Make the adjustments to the shape as I am doing, or you can define your own shape. Press the tick mark on the top to commit the changes. Select shadow layer, go to Filter, Blur and select Gaussian blur. Set higher radius and click OK. Go to Edit, Transform and select Warp. Change the shape of the blurred area so that it remains below the stroked area and creates a shadow effect. Click the tick mark to commit the change. The effect is now complete and ready to be saved. Hope you have all liked this art effect. Stay tuned, I'll be sharing more such tutorials. See you soon, bye bye.